How would we go about solving these type of expressions? We are not going to solve this going from left to right as if we're reading a book. We're going to look at the whole expression and then take a mental note of all the operators and see which ones according to the order of operations. First of all, we have exponents and roots. We will talk about the exponents and roots in this course later, so don't worry about them. These are things like 2 power to the 3 or square root of 5 or 7 to the power of 1 over 3. So why are exponents and roots on the same order? All the roots in the world can also be written as exponents. For example, square root of 5 is 5 to the power of 1 over 2. The next up we have multiply and divide. Now lots of people out there think multiplying comes before division. Multiplication and division are actually done at the exact same time, and we do them by going from left to right. So for example, if we have 8 divided by 4 multiplied by 3, so all the operations on this expression are on the same order. We will solve this going from left to right. So 8 divided by 4 will be equal to 2, and 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Then the last order is subtraction and addition. These two are a bit similar to multiplying and division because they are done at the exact same time going from left to right. So we have an expression like 4 plus 3 minus 5 plus 1. We just solve this going from left to right. So 4 plus 3 will be 7, 7 minus 5 will be positive 2, and 2 plus 1 will be equal to 3. Now zooming out, this is our order of operations. But there will be times when you actually don't want to follow the order of operations. Like, what have you had a situation where you want to add 11 and 2 before doing anything else? This is where groups come. Groupings basically say that I am the king of order of operations and I got solved first. When we say groups, we're talking about parentheses, brackets, raises, absolute value bars, and roots. So if we use parentheses around 11 plus 2 here, we are telling that we need to solve that before anything else. There is a very easy way to remember order of operations, and that is taking the first letter of each word. We get G, E, M, and S, which is gems. So let's pick our gems and use it to solve the expression up here. Now the first thing I do is look at the whole expression and take a mental note of all operators I see. And then I turn to the order of operations and look at the first letter. So the first letter is G, that represents grouping. So we have to solve grouping first. The only grouping we have is this parenthesis. So 11 plus 2 is 13. And we rewrite the whole expression down here. We're done solving a group. So we move to the next order, exponents and roots. The only exponents we have is 3 to the power 2. We will learn about the exponents and roots in this course a little bit later. 3 to the power 2 will be equal to 9, and we rewrite the expression down here again. Now we got to go for the third order, multiplication and division. So we have a division here and a multiplication here. When we have two of these and they share the same order, so we are going to solve them going left to right. So 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2, and 2 multiplied by 4 will be equal to positive 8. We rewrite the expression again, 8 plus 9 minus 13. And we go for the last order here, subtraction and addition. We have one addition and one subtraction. So we solve this going from left to right again. 8 plus 9 will be equal to 17. And 17 minus 13 will be equal to positive 4.